GoSLAM introduces the new X1 series of fly scanning products, which uses SLAM scanning technology and is paired with the DJI M4T, M4E fly platform to achieve fly 3D scanning data acquisition. The X1 scanner is equipped with high-brightness LED light, a 5G data transmission module, laser pointer control point module, a global shutter camera, and a shockproof protective cover. The X1 scanning system supports real-time color scanning in both indoor and outdoor environments. It allows real-time preview of point cloud data on the remote controller and enables full control of all module functions. It also supports resume scanning from where it left off, real-time 5G data transmission, cloud platform browsing and measurement, and high-precision data using desktop post-processing, meeting various operational needs. The X1 scanning system comes standard with the powerful GoSLAM LeaderWorks post-processing software with industry application modules covering construction, stockpiles, forestry, mining, tunnels, and more, providing a one-stop solution. Simultaneously, the accompanying GoSLAM Digital Matrix Engine software can be used to quickly generate high-fidelity 3D Gaussian models, fast aerial 3D scanning, or with GoSLAM X1.